In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find transaction ID in PayPal. If you need to confirm a payment, track a purchase, or provide proof of a transaction for support, finding your PayPal transaction ID is a very useful skill. The good news is that it's quick and easy once you know where to look. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're on the main account page, look for the activity section. This is where PayPal keeps a record of your recent payments, purchases, transfers, and other account actions. Go ahead and click on Activity to open your transaction history. Once you're in the activity area, you'll see a list of transactions. These may include payments you've sent, money you've received, refunds, or invoices. At this point, all you need to do is choose the specific transaction you want more information about. Click on any transaction from the list to open it. After selecting the transaction, PayPal will display the transaction details page. This page contains more information about that payment, such as the date, amount, status, and other related details. This is the area you want to review carefully because this is where the transaction ID can be found. The transaction ID is typically a unique combination of letters and numbers that PayPal assigns to that specific payment. It acts like a reference number, which can be helpful when speaking with customer support, resolving disputes, checking invoice records, or confirming that the payment went through successfully. If you're having trouble locating the right payment, a helpful tip is to pay close attention to the transaction date, the amount, and the name of the sender or recipient shown in your activity list. That can help you open the correct record more quickly, especially if you have a lot of recent account activity. Also, if you're sharing the transaction ID with someone for support purposes, make sure you only share the ID itself and avoid sending any private account information that isn't necessary. Keeping your financial details secure is always important. So to recap, you open PayPal, go to Activity, click on the transaction you want, and then review the transaction details where the transaction ID is shown. And that's all there is to it. Now, you know how to find a transaction ID in PayPal quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.